Hey, seventh graders, sorry to be missing you today. I am at meetings this afternoon, but we'll be back tomorrow. I wanted to give you a brief overview of what I would like for you to accomplish today while you have your guest teacher. A lot of today will be spent reading and working in your flip books that you made. If you were absent and did not make a flip book, I have a couple of extras that the guest teacher will have, so you can get one from him. I wanted to show you where you can find the audio book. So if you are interested in listening to an audio recording, I think I'm having you guys do, let me look real quick. I think I'm going to have you do chapter 1 today. Because I think 1 hour I've read a little bit and 1 hour I haven't. So I want you to go back and listen to chapter 1. So if you go to your platform and you go to the Outsiders Project, and of course my screen looks a little different from yours. If you go to the project overview to your additional resources and you click on that, you'll get taken to an audio book. I haven't yet quite seen where we can look at, here we go. So if you actually go to YouTube, maybe we can kind of see what chapter. I think this is chapter 1 that's playing right now.
I had only 2 things on my mind.
So anyway, that'll get you to that, so you can listen if you would like to. Again, that is under your project overview, under your additional resources. Then you'll have a couple of things in your flip books to do. You are going to do the guided reading questions. Let me see if I can pull up that file real quick for you guys. We are doing the Outsiders. And okay, so today I'm going to have you work on your guided reading questions that you can do for chapter 1 and your vocabulary that goes with chapter 1. So you should get those 2 things done after you're done reading. If you get all that done and you still have time in class, you can continue reading in the Outsiders, or you can silent read in a book of your choosing. So I will be back tomorrow. Hope you guys have a great day and see you soon.